Welcome to my channel, AI Buyer Traffic Bot Review. Introducing Part, an AI-driven tool for generating traffic. The AI Buyer Traffic Bot is powered by ChatGPT and Google AI. By smoothly automating every step of the process, from keyword research to content generation, the program transforms online marketing. With just one click, users can publish highly optimized content for optimal visibility and get Google's top organic results. With buyer traffic bots, marketers may achieve unmatched efficiency as they run automatically. It is a game-changer for online business owners seeking steady growth, because it comes with extensive training materials. You can embrace the online marketing of the future and fully utilize AI-driven traffic generation with buyer traffic bots. Prepare to reap the rewards of this cutting-edge AI software for improved business performance. New asterisk greater than Google loophole lets us swipe for 1,490 free Google clicks. Bank $44. Min with ClickBank. New $5.7 billion AI you get traffic in 5x clicks. We make GPT cash with Google AI. Google plus ClickBank pay us $493 day. 100% free traffic. Zero writing 3in1 AI app equals 24/7 free Google traffic. GPT plus Google loophole for you. ChatGPT directs Google, send profit. Google shares all with GPT AI, 100% guaranteed rank top on Google for 10 plus keywords, or triple your money back. The free Google traffic loophole. GPT asks, where's the money? Plus pre-run DFYI to get it us. Free. AI traffic equals Google commissions 24/7 in just 5x clicks. Unlock free Google traffic forever. Step 1. Run time travel AI. Log into your account, select an opportunity, and let the Google AI bot hand you an untapped free traffic opportunity. Step 2. Siphon free Google clicks. Instruct ChatGPT to connect to Google. Analyze the keyword and current articles, live, and redirect the traffic to you. Step 3. 100% free means 100% profit. Now redirect the Day 0 Google traffic to your affiliate links and get started fast with ClickBank, Amazon plus 11 more. Features of AI Buyer Traffic Bot. Knows more about keyword relevance than anyone else. Functions flawlessly within your browser and is appropriate for all devices. Doesn't need human intervention. Guarantees the delivery of traffic in any specialty. Get Day 0 free traffic with ease. Accommodates any website or affiliate link from ClickBank. Finds Google traffic quickly. Channels Google traffic in a matter of minutes. Completely automated using triple-purpose AI technology. How it works. Utilizing time travel AI. Venture into the future. Enter your account information, select an opportunity, and allow the Google AI bot to find a secret source of free traffic for you. Get Google to click for free, endlessly. Use ChatGPT to have direct conversations with Google, analyze keywords and already published articles in actual time, and receive all that valuable traffic in one place. 100% profit equals 100% free. Drive the first day of Google traffic to the affiliate link so you can begin making money on ClickBank, Amazon, and other sites right away. With the use of AI Buyer Traffic Bot, intelligence prompts, AI software, and ChatGPT, you may increase your commissions and gain limitless Google traffic. All it takes to get started is 5 easy clicks. Who can benefit from AI Traffic Bot? Startup founders, affiliate marketers, newbie bloggers, e-commerce store owners, email marketers, social media influencers, home business owners, SEO specialists, and you. My recommendation for the AI Buyer Traffic Bot. Try the Artificial Intelligence Buyer Traffic Bot, please. It's a special tool that can assist you in increasing website traffic. It gets free traffic for you by utilizing Google and sophisticated AI technology. Anyone who wishes to promote online can benefit from its ease of usage. You can purchase additional features to increase your earnings. All things considered, the AI Buyer Traffic Bot is a fantastic tool for increasing website traffic and revenue. Frequently asked questions. What is an AI Traffic Bot? Where can I send the free Google traffic? What is SEO? Can I use it for any keyword or niche? Do I need to write any content myself? How can I make money with free AI traffic today?